My name is Ron Harrison. I'm with Unlimited Success Agency. We're part of the Five Rings family. My wife Kim and I have been in the life insurance business for 12 or 13 years or so. We are executive vice presidents with Five Rings Financial. Actually, we were the 13th executive vice presidents with the company. There are now, as of January 2024, probably 90 executive vice presidents. Five Rings Financial is just growing in leaps and bounds, doubling every couple of years. What I'm doing today is I want to reach out to P&C agents and agencies to find out what you're doing in your business and to see how we can partner so that you can do many more things for your clients. So we've designed this passive income model. Now we're limited in the number of agencies that we can bring in with this model, but let's just look at some of the features of it. So first of all, in talking with P&C agents, a lot of them really don't know anything about life insurance. And the ones that do market life insurance, they do it because they are pressured by their company to do it. There are certain companies that say, hey, you have to sell life insurance, a certain amount of life insurance per month or per year, whatever it happens to be. Now, a lot of P&C people also don't understand the financial leverage that comes with annuity products. So just to educate you, in case you don't know, there's the life insurance products is pretty broad, and under it, of course, is life insurance and annuities, which and annuities are financial vehicles that should be a part of everybody's long-term financial portfolio, but few people know about them. So the excuses that I sometimes hear from people is that life insurance and annuities are too much work, or I don't really have any demand from my clients. Well, I think you'll see when I talk about the three main products that we work with people on, I think you'll see that all of your clients need to learn about these. So let's look at this. The first thing that we always want to talk about is the fact that you're leaving money on the table, and you'll see how lucrative this can be. So, in our business partnership, how would you like a partnership that works this way? Number one, you can grow your book of business. And anything we do, ultimately, it could be your book of business if you choose to have it that way. And that's something that we'll talk about uh, individually, one on one. You can serve your clients better in what we provide, giving them a full range of uh, secure and safe financial products and insurance products. You can help your client protect all of their assets. We talk about P&C, of course, they're, home, auto, liability. Those are the main things. But you know what the most important asset for a person is or for a family? It's the person earning the money, right? Life insurance protects the most important asset that a person has. So that's really why you need to add it to the services that you can provide your clients and provide you with lucrative passive income. That's what our plans do. So with our model, we do 100% of the work and you get 50% at your commission level. And your commission level goes up, up, and up as you start doing more business. So it can be really a fantastic extra income, nice side income, $500,000, $2,000 a month, whatever you choose to do. But those are details that we will work out individually. This is just general information. So again, we do all the work, you get half the money. So looking at this model, now with our company, we have multiple strategies. Like my wife Kim and I were appointed with 10 to 12 different insurance companies, and they provide different products. And we really like that because being independent, it's not one size fits all. Whereas if I was with with a dependent agency, all I would have would be their line of business. But with 10 or 12 company carriers behind us, we can serve so many more needs than a lot of P&C agents can provide. So first, let's look at this. One of the more important things that we do is living benefits life insurance. Now, some of you might do life insurance with your clients, but unfortunately, that life insurance is probably what we call death-only life insurance. Now, it might offer one or two basic living benefits, but it certainly doesn't offer the full comprehensive living benefits that we offer. heart attack, stroke, cancer, ALS, major head trauma, chronic disease issues that a person can have, terminal illness, Alzheimer's protection. It's amazing. We'll talk about that when we visit on the phone or in a Zoom call specifically with you. So here's an example of the commissions that you can earn. So a client funds a $100 a month living benefits life insurance policy, and it might end up being like a 500,000 to $1.5 million policy, depending on the person's age and qualification factors, right? Your commission would be $200 to $300 as you first start. But think about this. All you do is you say, hey, I'm now working with this partner company that provides living benefits life insurance. Talk to them. They talk to us. You get the money. You don't even have to be there at the appointment. If you're at the appointment, you make a little bit more money. Isn't that crazy? That's just going to be a check when they say, yes, I want to have that comprehensive life insurance for about $2 or $3 or $4 a day. It's pretty amazing. Now, the next thing we do that's really important, we do tax-free flex cash plans. And most people don't see life insurance products as being that. But life insurance is the number one way to grow tax-free money for later in life. Flexible tax-free money. We call these flex cash plans, we call them Roths on steroids. So as an example, like if a person has a Roth plan, after tax contributions, right? Most they can put in is $7,000 or $7,500. Our flex cash plans, I have a client puts in $1,500 a month. I have a client that is just starting a plan. He's going to do $50,000 a year and have nearly full liquidity of all of his money, and goes in after taxes, grows tax-free, pull it out tax-free. Pretty amazing. So let's take a look at how the commissions work on something like this. So the client funds a $500 a month plan. Your commission would be $1,000 to $1,500 to start. And that again is just by you saying, hey, you need to visit with my new partner, Ron Harrison. I sit down with the client. You brought the client. I bring the knowledge. 50-50 payout on that. Pretty good deal, isn't it? Now, if you sit in on the meetings and get more engaged, then your payout level ends up going a little bit higher. Then finally, we do lots of rollover work. And so many people are disinformed or misinformed, whatever you want to call it, about the power of insurance products for rollover retirement. Most people, when they leave a job, they do one of three things. They cash it out, which is crazy, right? All the tax implications, all of that. Number two, they leave it in the 401k and just let the company go ahead and move it into an IRA within the company. Or the third choice, which is one of the best choices, is they take that money and they move it into a third party IRA. The reason I think that is important is because when they leave it with their 401k company that moves it automatically to an IRA, typically it's going to be Fidelity, Schwab, or something like that, one of the 401k managing companies, right? We move it into safer and more secure insurance-based IRA products. So they maintain the tax benefits of their plan, but then they move it into a plan that all that plan does is it goes up when the market goes up, goes sideways when the market crashes. Never lose a penny when the market crashes. That's what we do for people when they change jobs or retire. So let's take a look at how lucrative this can be for you. Let's say a client rolls over $200,000. This happens fairly often. I'm working on one right now, which is going to be $700,000. This was a person just contacted me. I had a little bit of a contact with him about 8 months ago, and he called me the other day and he said, Ron, I'm ready to pull the trigger on this. So it'll take us probably about a week to get all the paperwork done, the approvals done, and then I'll get a big fat commission check. So the client rolls over $200,000. Your commission would be $2,500 to $3,500 to start. Then it would be higher. Again, this is if you just said, hey, meet with Ron, and we did the business. If you were at the meeting, so you're in the process of learning more like an apprentice. If you want to be an apprentice in doing this, to work out to that professional level to do it yourself, then you would earn more money. So those are the three main things we do for people. There are so many more things that we do that you can offer your current clients. So if you want more information on this, if you want us to reach out and talk to you about how lucrative this can be for you, see how it would best fit you and your situation, we have an information request. So there's the QR code for that. I encourage you to take a look at that. And you can also see the web address there. It'll take you about 2 minutes to fill out that information request. And at the bottom of it, you say, yeah, I agree that you can contact me. Let's talk about this more. So we're not about pressure or anything like that. It's just what you want to do to not only grow your practice, but to help more clients and to expand what you can do for your current clients. So thank you very much. I look forward to talking to you. Please shoot me any questions you might have. Have a fantastic day.